Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Audi A4 Avant Black Edition. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 187 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 39,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This stunning colour is the Quantum Grey and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the S line, you get the nice sporty features. So you've got the sports seats there, which are half leather, really comfy and supportive. And then also you've got the sports steering wheel there as well. A few other features like I mentioned, the car has heated front seats, as well as Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. You also have the virtual cockpit there, which I think looks really smart, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror, 4 window controls, and your electric tailgate button at the bottom there as well. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and the passengers also have their control over their rear temperature as well. There's also a charging socket in the centre too. And as you open the tailgate, that, like I mentioned, is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, as well as the parcel shelf. And underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage around the battery. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.